Push. Today before start my seminar, I welcome to all of my friends and also all member of International Shotokan Karate Federation of India. Today we will discuss, as per my plan, about some Kihon Waza and stances, Hengetsu Dachi, Genko Dachi and Kibadachi. 3 stances and four stances, Kokotsu Dachi also we will discuss here, and also Hengetsu Kata. So prepare yourself to everybody, and first we start from some Kihon Waza. That will improve your stances, improve your basics techniques. So ready for training? Oh, push. Your chain kodachi. Hasbi. First, we must learn how to shift our body. That is very important. How to shift our body. How to shift our body in different stances. How we move our body forward. How we come back this way. This is very important because everybody know basics, but some people feel very difficult when we move forward. When we move forward or back, we come to back. This is because of they didn't practice for Taisbaki. So suppose in Genko Dachi, how to do? Some people go this way, straight, this way. No, because this part is our just below to the navel. This is the Saika tendon, and we can say it is the powerhouse of our body. It is the powerhouse of our body. So when we go this forward in Genko Dachi, we must use our hips and Saika tendon, and also use our muscles, upper muscles and lower muscles. So one by one, you can see. Slightly bent knee this way, and forward your body, then last movement, hips turn. Then again, squeeze your body and go forward, then in quick turn, immediately turn. With kiwi, hut. We go this way, then open. Okay? So we practice in Panche also this push. Oizuki. When we go forward, first same thing. Hip. Inhale. This is the body expansion and contractions. First we take we take energy, then release, open. बहुत से प्लेयर्स और हमारे टीचर्स सोचते हैं कि जब भी हम फॉरवर्ड जाते हैं फर्स्ट यूं टच करके क्यों जाते हैं, टच करके क्यों फॉरवर्ड करते हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ कराटे बिकॉज this is belong to body expansion and contractions. Inhale and exhale. Very important but easy. We squeeze our muscle. Then Jain Kodachi. First we collect our energy, squeeze our muscles, hit, then expand. That's why every time we come together and then spread it. That's why we come here, then spread. This is easy and we can practice with some Kihon. Us, your Chain Kodachi, right leg back, ich, Oizuki, knee, san, then back, together, again together, then last movement, open. Okay? Same. This way. So, everyday practice this way because this is the right way. If we go straight, this way, if we go this way, straight, our body cannot collect our whole power. We just, by this way, we just use this part power. We come this way, whole power. We collect whole power together, then release. But it should be very quick. It should be very quick, not slow. Not this way. It should be very quick. So first Kihon. Hus. Yoi. Jain Kodachi. Hurt me. Oizuki. Hit. Back. Gedan right. Then Gekuzuki. Then again, Gedan Brai. Then Oizuki. Hit, knee, san, si, go, rook. Hit, knee, san, si. Yoi. This Kihon help you to shift your body, use your muscles, use your hips, and very important to use your muscular power. So practice every day. Next, your first left hand side, Jain Kodachi, hit. Oizuki, knee, then back, san, then back, sit, forward, go, root, sit, touch, go, then yoi. Now fast. Hit. Knee, san, go, rook, sit, hut, go. Your this Kihon is will help you to your basics, and every day you must training this way. Now we will discuss about stances. Before talking about Genko-dachi, Kiba-dachi, Hengetsu-dachi and Kokoso-dachi, we must know what is the stance, why we need it. If you anybody know about this, please comment in my box. And stances is mainly related to our lower body, mainly connect with our lower body, and these stances carry our upper body, and this is also very important to make our technique very powerful, very balanced, and make mobility our body easy, and rotation, it's help to rotate, move around our body, side, up, forward, back, side. These stances carry our upper body and help to make our defensive technique, offensive technique, both sides. If suppose they make very strong, very stable, very mobile and very powerful our techniques. Both sides, they help offense and defense. Suppose we punch here this way. This way. It is not powerful because there is no stance. We cannot collect our power together. Suppose we do this in Haikodachi. This way we use our muscles, our hips, our psycho tendons and our upper part of body. This way. Hit, knee, sun, sit, go. So that's why we make karate have stances. This is not only for karate. We use it in golf, baseball, cricket, football, every sports have stances and their values. Again I repeat, why we make stances, why we need stances. To make our technique effective, powerful, stable our body, nicely carry our upper parts and lower parts, and great use of our hips, our psycho tendons. And this is also help us in offense and defense. That's why we need stances. Now we talk with first stance is Genko-dachi. This is very important stance of Shotokan karate. First, this way, easy to explain. First we know how long we need, how many distance between both legs we need. This is depend on your height and your age. Normally we take 2 or 3 shoulders gap. 1, 2, 3. 3 shoulder gap between this leg and this leg. One moment. This trick will help you to understand three shoulder gap between both leg. If you are about 4, okay, because this Sensei Okazaki divide to all stance in 3 categories. First is natural stance like Hai Kodachi, Hai Sukodachi, and fundamental and sparring stance. This is the part of sparring stance. Very, very important for sparring. %60 weight here, weight division. 60% weight on front, back 40% weight on the back, and back leg movements should be 30 degree. This will draw 30-degree angle, and we can divide it in 2 positions. One is the Shomen Zen Kodachi. Second is the Hanmi Zen Kodachi. Hanmi. So in Shomen, will our face and our hips looks on the front side, and Hanmi we rotate our hips halfway, and this make 30 to 40 degree angle from here, from straight line this way 30 to 40 degree angle. Weight 60%, 40%. Center of gravity just near to front leg. This will be the center of gravity. And this stance is very helpful to move forward, move on side, move on side. This is also help to move back side. This is belong to sparring family, and very important in Shotokan Karate. Next we will talk about Kibadachi. Kibadachi us 3 shoulder, the knee will be straight, not inside, not outside. It force give outside, and knee looks on straight, and center of gravity will be in between. Center of gravity will be between both leg, and 50% weight here, 50% weight here. This is very fundamental stances, and this is the you can say this is the head of the stances. This is the boss of all stances. This lead so many stances like Koko Sodachi, Hengetsu Dachi, Fudo Dachi. This stance is very good to improve our thigh muscles and move forward. It is not bad, and this is back side. easily you can move, on side easily you can move, and this is very great for Yokogiri. This way, this is very great for Yokogiri. Now Kokotsu Dachi. Last one is the Kokotsu Dachi. Kokotsu Dachi is also belong to Kiba family, and we call it back stance. We call it back stance. 70% weight here, 30% weight here. This front leg will be slightly bent, and center of gravity will be close to rear leg, and distance between both leg is about 2 shoulders, and if you are young, then more than 2 shoulders, like 3 shoulders. This way. This is Kokotsu Dachi. Many of kata we use this stance, this way. We also talk, some people do this way. No. You squeeze your hips this way, locked here, and back muscles, squeeze your back muscles. So this stance is very good for protect, block for any counter. Suppose someone kick here, easily we can block, then attack. This is very important for offense and defense. Protect your opponent, counter attack. So this is the third one. Last one is the Hengetsu Dachi. Because we will do Hengetsu kata, so it is very important. First, we must know what is the Hengetsu Dachi. Hengetsu is belong to the Kiba family, and we contracts it from Zen Kodachi. So we also call it half moon stance. Half moon stance, because this stance come from the Hengetsu kata. Hengetsu is belong from Shorei kata. So we call it half moon. So Zen Kodachi, then just halfway and bend this knee, bend on 45 degree. We make angle 45 degree. We move this front leg to protect our groin, and center of gravity will be fallen in between both leg. 50% weight here. This is very easy. Halfway and move your knee on 45 degree angle, and center of gravity will be in center, and 2 shoulder gap between both leg, 1 and 2. 2 shoulder gap between both leg. 50% weight here, 50% weight on front leg. This is the fundamental stance. I mentioned in starting, Sensei Okazaki divide in 3 categories all stances. First is the natural stances, fundamental stances, and sparring stances. This is belong to fundamental stance. So now we discuss about Hengetsu kata. We learn Hengetsu Dachi, now Hengetsu Kata. Go, open your leg, os, eyes look straight, not this way. This is wrong way to bow. This is the right way. Karate, you must alert every time. Hos. Hengatsu. Ich. Easy and last movement, squeeze your hips. Then breathe, take your breath in. Then release. Then again. This is the first three movements. We watch from the side way. Hus. These are the first three movements of Hengetsu Dachi. This is the third one. Last. After 1, 2, and this is the third one. From here, just take breath. From nipple, from here nipple, and this is the Nakadaka Ken. Release, exhale your breath. Then cross both hands this way. Then quick movement, move back side, maintain your Hengetsu Dachi. This way. Chudan uchiuke. Gedan berai. Quick. Ai. Fast ki ai. Fast ki ai. Then from here, just move. Right hand side. Uchi uke. Then two punch. Then back side. Hit. Knee. Sa. Then front side. Hit. Knee. Sa. Push. These are the three stances. We again try from third movement from here. From here. Then quick. Kick. From front, this is the hitch. Then knee. Sun. Maintain your Hengel Sudachi. From here, direct move this way. Quick. Then quick. Then front side. Push. We start from here, done, then 1, 2, 3, then uke, 2 punches, then back side, hitch, knee, then front side, hitch, knee. From here, how to move? From here, quick, put your weight here and quick this way, Kokotsu dachi, transfer your weight here, cross, then Chudan, Maegiri, Kedan Brai, and Gekuzuki. I explain from here. Easy, fast, quick, hitch, knee. Then this way. Maegiri, Kedan Barai, Gekuzuki, and Age okay. Then again, quick. Same. Maegiri, Kedan Barai, Gekuzuki, Age okay. This way. So. Again we start from here. Hitch, knee, san, sit, go rook, sit, hatch, ku, hitch, knee, quick, hut, san, sit, hut, go, then back, hitch, then open, Mikazuki Giri, and Churan Kai, then Niko Sidachi, block. Us. This is the Hengetsu kata. Almost I done my time. So next Sunday we will discuss, next meeting we will discuss Chinte kata and some more stances and some more kihons. Thank you to watch my video. Thank you. Please share it and subscribe my channel Shotokan TV ISKF India. Domo arigato. Hos.